Hey there! If you're an iPhone user who loves macro photography and micro photography, this video is for you. Today I got 3 iPhone accessories you must have to level up your iPhone macro photography game. So without further ado, let's see what they are. After using many different brands, I found that 3 of the best macro lens brands out there are APEXEL, Sandmark and Olanzi. Now Sandmark lenses are designed especially for iPhone users and comes with a higher price tag. If you are looking for a lens that's compatible with most phone models, then either APEXEL or Olanzi will be perfect for you. Personally, I love using APEXEL 100mm lens. It's my go-to choice to capturing beautiful footages and photos on my mobile phone. The lens design is sleek and durable, and it comes with a universal clip that can attach to various mobile phone cameras. You can also use a universal clamp or a phone case with the right thread to attach the lens. The working distance between the subject and the lens is perfect for capturing amazing footages without disturbing the subject. If you've been following my videos, you've probably seen some of my stunning footages and photos I've taken using my iPhone 12 Pro Max and APEXEL 100mm lens. And if you are interested in buying this lens, I'll drop the link in the description box below. Oh, and one more thing. If you do decide to buy the APEXEL lens, I highly recommend getting the CPL filter as well. It's a game changer for removing unwanted reflections and really takes your footages to next level. I want to share with you a fantastic back cover I recently discovered during my online shopping adventure. This isn't just any ordinary back cover. It's a game changer. As you may already know, I love external lenses to capture stunning shots, but it can be hassle to attach and detach them all the time. That's why I was thrilled to find this mobile case that not only protects your iPhone but also allows you to attach your favorite lenses effortlessly. Whether you are using macro, wide angle, star filter, or even a large telephoto lens, this case has got you covered. And the best part? This back cover comes at a very reasonable price, making it a great investment for anyone who loves mobile photography and wants to up their game. If you are interested in checking it out, I'll leave a link to it in the description box below. This little gadget gives you 400 magnification, which is quite impressive. And let me tell you, the results are mind-blowing. To give you an idea, let me compare the result with my favorite 100mm macro lens. As you can see from the footage, the level of details and clarity is just amazing. The lens comes with a rechargeable inbuilt light, which is great because it helps to prevent most of the details when you take a closer look. The best part of the lens is that it comes with an iPhone case, so you don't need these annoying clips to attach the lens anymore. The picture quality is also fantastic. And let's take a look at some common objects under this lens. Just look at the details on those objects. It's pretty amazing, isn't it? A 500 rupee note, a lung tissue biopsy showing neutrophil infiltration, a piece of carrot, a piece of cloth. If you are interested in buying this lens, I'll attach a link down in the description box below. Trust me, it's definitely worth it and highly recommend. So that's all for today. If you like my content, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.